Now let's see how Clasero links your bank statement to invoices. Press Bank Account CSV Import. Select which bank account the statement belongs to and upload the CSV file. Let's start with the payments the system has recognized. Here we see a client with two children and therefore two separate invoices, but they paid both with a single transaction. Clasero automatically detected this and linked the payment to both invoices. Now let's check payments that weren't recognized. In these cases, the payment doesn't have an accurate invoice number, but we can link them manually. Click the payment. You'll see unpaid invoices listed below. If you have many, you can search by client name or invoice number. Enter the payment amount, press link, and close the tab. You'll see the invoice updated. Repeat the process for any other unmatched payments. Here, one client has overpaid. Clasero shows a balance of plus 140 for this client. The next invoice generated will automatically apply this credit, making the payment amount zero until the overpayment is cleared. We can also see a client who hasn't paid. If the invoice is overdue, we can send a payment reminder directly from the admin dashboard to the client's email. Thank you for watching this bank statement sync tutorial.